If your body is craving chocolate, it usually signals a need for certain nutrients or emotional comfort. Here's what it might mean and how to replace it with healthy food. Please like and subscribe. Magnesium deficiency. Why? Chocolate is rich in magnesium, a mineral essential for muscle, nerve, and mood function. Healthy replacement nuts and seeds like almonds, cashews, and pumpkin seeds, dark leafy greens such as spinach and kale, also avocados, low blood sugar or energy. Why? Craving chocolate can happen when your body needs a quick energy boost. Healthy replacement fresh fruit like bananas, apples, and berries, Greek yogurt with honey, oats with a little cinnamon or fruit. Emotional or stress-related craving. Why? Chocolate boosts serotonin and dopamine, which improve mood. Healthy replacement. Dark chocolate, 70% or higher in small amounts. Herbal teas like chamomile and peppermint. Foods rich in omega-3 fatty acids such as chia seeds, walnuts, and salmon. Habit or comfort eating. Why? Chocolate is often tied to routines or emotional comfort. Healthy replacement, homemade energy balls with oats, dates, and a touch of cocoa. Smoothies with banana, spinach, and unsweetened cocoa powder. Roasted chickpeas or air-popped popcorn for crunch. What fried food cravings might mean, and healthy replacements. 1. Your body needs healthy fats. Why? Fried foods are high in fat and your body might be craving essential fatty acids. Healthy replacements, avocados, nuts and seeds like almonds, walnuts, chia, and flax. Fatty fish like salmon or sardines, olives or olive oil. 2. You're low on energy. Why? Fried foods are calorie-dense and your body might be looking for quick fuel. Healthy replacements, whole grains like quinoa, brown rice, and oats. Smoothie with fruit, nut butter, and Greek yogurt. Sweet potatoes, baked or air-fried. Craving salt. Many fried foods are salty and you might be low on sodium or simply used to a high-salt diet. Healthy replacements, roasted chickpeas with spices, air-popped popcorn with a pinch of sea salt, lightly salted edamame or seaweed snacks. Emotional or habit-based craving. Fried foods are comfort foods for many people and often linked to stress or boredom. Healthy replacements, baked veggie chips like zucchini, sweet potato or kale, homemade air-fried items with minimal oil, and crunchy snacks like sliced cucumbers with hummus. What bread and pastry cravings might mean, and healthy replacements. Low blood sugar or energy levels. Refined carbs in bread and pastries provide a fast energy spike. Healthy replacements, whole grain toast with nut butter or avocado, oats topped with fruit and seeds, or a banana with almond butter. Carbohydrate craving. Your brain needs carbs for fuel, especially if you're tired or mentally drained. Healthy replacements, quinoa, brown rice or sweet potatoes, fruit with protein or healthy fat like apple and peanut butter, or whole grain wraps or crackers with hummus. Emotional or comfort eating. Why? Pastries are often associated with comfort and reward. Healthy replacements, Greek yogurt with honey and cinnamon, chia pudding with berries, dark chocolate, a small piece, and tea. Habit or refined carb dependency. Why? Eating a lot of refined carbs can lead to blood sugar swings and more cravings. Healthy replacements, homemade baked goods using almond flour, oats or coconut flour. Energy bites made from oats, dates, and nuts. Roasted root vegetables for natural sweetness and texture. What snack cravings might mean, and healthy replacements. You're actually hungry. Why? You may not be eating enough at meals, especially protein or fiber. Healthy replacements, boiled eggs with veggie sticks, Greek yogurt with berries, tuna or hummus on whole grain crackers. Low energy or blood sugar. Why? Your body needs a quick fuel source. Healthy replacements, banana with peanut butter, oats with fruit and chia seeds. Trail mix with nuts and dried fruit, a small portion. Craving salt or crunch. Why? Often a sensory craving, not true hunger. Healthy replacements, air-popped popcorn, roasted chickpeas or edamame, veggie sticks like carrots or cucumbers with hummus or guacamole. Emotional or boredom eating. Why? Snacking can be a habit triggered by stress or boredom, not hunger. Healthy replacements, herbal tea or sparkling water for oral stimulation, a handful of berries or sliced apple, dark chocolate square with nuts. If you like this video, please like and subscribe.